Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you are someone who's looking for off-campus opportunities, internships or fresher jobs, then you are absolutely on the right channel, because here we bring you every latest opportunity that is live right now, and that too on a daily basis, so you never miss out on anything important. And today itself in this video we are going to see three amazing off-campus opportunities. These are from top companies and real rules you can apply to right now. So make sure you watch till the end. And let's start with our first opportunity, that is from Oracle. So Oracle is hiring for software developer 1, and the location they have mentioned for this role is going to be Bangalore and Hyderabad. And experience is 0 to 2 years. Now let's see the qualification. So they haven't mentioned any badge. They have mentioned career level 1C1. So they haven't mentioned a batch, but as we see in years of experience, they have mentioned 0 to 2 years. So we can see that 26 batch, 25 batch and 24 batch is eligible for this hiring. And for more detail you can see here they have mentioned about them, responsibility. Okay, so as a member of the software engineering division, you will use basic knowledge of software architecture to perform tasks associated with developing, debugging, and designing software applications. So this is a very good off-campus opportunity. Make sure to apply as early as you can, because they haven't mentioned any last date. So apply as early as you can. Now next up we have CAI hiring for associate software engineer for their Bangalore location, and they have in the qualification section they have mentioned the batch that is eligible is a 24 batch and 25 batch. Now here's the best part, this is a training based role, means they will provide you training, which means even if you are not confident at, even if your coding is average, they will train you first. So skill needed for this is any one language, Java, Python, C++, basic oops, some SQL knowledge, and this is honestly one of the safest entry point into IT. And one important point they have mentioned here, that if any candidate needs special support during the hiring process, like during the application, interview or any test, the company is ready to help. You can simply contact through their email, they have mentioned here, through their email or phone number, and they will provide the necessary assistance. And this shows that the company supports an inclusive environment and cares about all the candidates, so must apply. And this is a very good off-campus opportunity, you must apply 24 batch and 25 batch. Now in the last, V4C.ai is hiring for data science associate data scientist. Now first see the qualification section. So they are requiring bachelor's degree in computer science, data science engineering, mathematics or a related field, means IT, EC, they can also eligible. Now knowledge of programming language and particularly Python or R is essential. So if you have Python, then you can apply. Now familiarity with data manipulation libraries such as Panda or NumPy. So this is a very good opportunity for the people who have knowledge of Python. And here we can see this is a hybrid role, and if you work from office, then the location going to be Pune. And first they will provide you training, and after that they will there is a option you can have work from home, that's why they have mentioned hybrid. This is also a very good off-campus opportunity. If you know Python, you must apply. Now these were today's off-campus opportunities, but before applying, add projects and resume, and clearly mention your skills. And before going to the interview, practice basic interview questions, because opportunities are there but selection depends on your preparation. So these were three fresher opportunities you can apply right now. And please be pay attention here that these three opportunities didn't mention their closing time, like we don't know how long they will be live. So apply as early as you can. And that's it for today's video. See you in the next.